When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoyed this fantastic review. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we will see you soon.